My channel. This is Miss V here today, and it's June, so I want to go over my planner layout. I realize that a lot of people don't decorate their planners, but this video is for ones who do and the ones that are interested in how I decorate my planner, just a way to give you some ideas and some inspiration. So for the month of June, today is June 3rd. So let me just go over my decorations. I just wanted something light and airy for the summer. And we have a rainbow. And the rainbow symbolizes God promised to us that he'll never destroy the world again with water. So every time we see a rainbow, that is what that reminds me of. I don't know what it means to anyone else, but that's what it means to Miss V. So I just wanted to put that there. And I used this cute little washi tape that the beautiful Maddie, one of my supporters, sent me that says, "Stay true to yourself. Be better today." That's what we need to do. We need to don't try to be like somebody else. Just try to be a better version of yourself. And I got these cute little sunglass cutouts that one of my supporters sent me, Miss Eileen Mack. Thank you, Eileen. I'm using them. And I have these rhinestone ice cream cones that I purchased, I think at Hobby Lobby last year, and I just put that on there. And so also I got the washi tape that says "Keep on shining, always have a smile in your heart." So of course, you know, it's summertime, the palm trees, and I put "Remember this." Remember when we went to Destin, and me and my husband did the parasailing. That's why I put that right there. I'll never do it again. It was a good experience, but I won't be doing that again. And so on the next week, I just got some hearts. Y'all know I'm always about showing love. And this weekend we're going to New Orleans, so I put that there. Hopefully it's sunny. I'm gonna have my shades, y'all. So over here, just got a watering can to represent summer, watering my flowers. And the next week I got, I put that little crab, lobster, whatever he is right there for New Orleans. And this week I got hospital orientation for my part-time job. And I got a family member birthday. And so this is it. Not much going on in June, and these are just paydays. And after we come from this little trip, we're going to hit it hard because we got a couple of goals we're trying to meet by the end of August. And also, people, we need to enjoy life. Just enjoy life, because you already know we only promised a moment. We're not even promised a whole second. You only promised a moment. So try to enjoy life. So that's it. That's my inspiration for this video. Stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you some Father's Day cards that I made last year that I found while organizing my craft room. Day cards that I made last year. I'll insert the tutorial in the description box. My microphone on. I'm gonna have to leave my microphone on my craft disk so I can remember to use it. And I'll also have a link to this microphone. If you like the way I sound now, you can order this on Amazon. Click the link. And I am a member of the Amazon affiliate program. Just mean I'll get a small commission. Your price will still be the same. I appreciate any support. And I want to thank Karen from Everyday Living with Karen Jeter and Vanessa Williams from Designs by Vanessa Williams for ordering this microphone. So thank you. I might have had the channels wrong, but thank you, Vanessa Williams and Karen Jeter. So back to my excuse me, Father's Day cards. So these are just some cards, some cute little cards I made just using some paper I had, and it just has "Made with Love" by Miss V on the back. So this one I added some buttons. I thought that was cute. And this is just a simple white one with a pink and white tie. So what you can use these for, of course, you can use them as a card, and you can use them as a gift tag. Like if you were going to give a young man a gift, this can just be added to a gift bag some way. Or you can just hand it to him like it is. Or you can write under the tie, Happy Father's Day. The possibilities are endless. You just have to be creative if you want something different. So these are the cards, just giving you a close-up look. It was a fun little project to do. Those are 3 of this style cards. And you can use it as a money card. You can take some money right behind here. It'll be an ultimate surprise for a young man. And I did the ones that fold out. This one folds out. Of course, you can write your message in there. That's that one. Then I also did this one. I like this tie. That's a cool tie-dye type tie. So that's it. That's going to conclude this video. I just wanted to come by and give you some inspiration and give you some ideas for Father's Day and some ideas for decorating your planner. That's something you are interested in. So this is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love and encourage you. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. I'm sitting over here like a boss. Not a boss, but like a boss. Have a good day.